Hey everyone, my name is Amit and you're watching Aptitude 360.online. This is video number 7 of time, speed and distance. And in this video, we are going to be solving those 5 problems where distance is constant. और अगर distance constant हो गया, तो obviously speed and time, they are going to be inversely relational to each other, and hence you will have these kind of problems to simplify in your examination. And if you have not seen video number 6, please go and watch it, क्योंकि थोड़ी सी जो हमने थ्योरी है वो वहां पे बिल्ड करी हुई है. एक शॉर्टकट हमने डिस्कस किया हुआ है जिससे आप अपने प्रॉब्लम्स को एक लाइन में सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. Now let us go ahead and try to solve this problem. This one says that with an average speed of 50 km per hour, a train reaches its destination on time. अगर 50 km per hour की स्पीड से गया तो ये जो ट्रेन है वो अपने टाइम पे पहुंच जाएगी. If it goes by 40 kilometers per hour, then it is late by 24 minutes. Obviously, if the speed is less, the train is going to take more time. More time का मतलब late हो गया. Problem is asking you to find out what is that distance, the distance which is constant between two stations where the train is traveling. Now, what if I say that the travel time of the train is t hours. Travel time of the train is t hours, and hence distance is equal to speed into time. If the train goes with 50 kilometers per hour, then it reaches in t hours. So that's equation number 1. Distance is equal to 50 into t, and problem tells you that if the speed is 40 kilometers per hour, so when speed is 40, then the train is going to take 24 more minutes. यानी अब क्या लगेगा उसको, वो जो t hours लग रहा था उतना तो लगेगा, and then the train is going to take 24 more minutes. और अगर ये 24 more minutes लेगा तो what is that we should be doing? इस 24 को 60 से divide कर दो. Why? Because minutes must be converted into hours. Now can I say that this is also the distance? So if we equate these two values, this value out here and this value out here, if we equate them, do not you think that we will have the value of t? तो जब सबसे पहले तो हम t की वैल्यू निकाल देते हैं. So 50t is equal to 40, and then t plus, if we simplify this further, this is going to be 2 by 5. So this is going to be 2 by 5. And 0 are gone. Then this is 5t is equal to 4t plus 8 by 5. And the value of t comes out as 8 by 5 hours. Problem is not asking you what is the travel time, what is the normal travel time. Rather, the problem is asking you what is the distance. And in order to find out the distance, करना क्या है? Distance is equal to speed into time. And if the train travels with 50 kilometers per hour, speed is 50. What is the travel time that we have found out? T is, we have found out 8 by 5. If you multiply 50 with 8 by 5, then what is going to be the distance? Distance comes out as 80 kilometers. So what did I say? When distances are constant, then S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. यही जो आपने हाई स्कूल में सीखा हुआ है और यही मैं यहाँ पे अप्लाई करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Now, there is another method. If you have seen the 10 videos that I made for you on परसेंटेज, तो वहां पे मैंने आपको यह सिखाने की कोशिश करी थी. आई होप यू हैव, इफ यू डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड दैट मेथड, दैट्स ओके. इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड, दैट्स फैंटास्टिक. If the speed goes down by 25%, and why is that I'm writing 25%? Because speed is 50 and then it is 40. कितना कम हो गया स्पीड? 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर से स्पीड कम हो गया. एंड इफ द स्पीड इज गोइंग डाउन बाय 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर, वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट बाय व्हाट परसेंट द स्पीड इज कमिंग डाउन. सो इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस विद दिस, so don't you think this is going down by 20%? It's not going down by 25%. Rather, the speed is going down by 20%. And if the speed is going down by 20%, obviously time is going to increase by 25%. अब ये 25% क्यों हुआ? For that you should be watching that video. Now, और अगर ये 25% हो गया तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? कैसे इस प्रॉब्लम को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे? इसको बोलना कि भाई चलो आपका जो ट्रैवल टाइम था वो 25% से बढ़ गया, एंड 25% of time जितना लेट हुआ वही तो ये है टाइम. 25% of time is 24 minutes. Can we find out the total time? Yes, we can do that because this is 1/4 of time, which is coming out as 24 and t comes out as 96 minutes. So the train reaches from station A to station B in 96 minutes, but you need to find out what is the total distance. Distance is speed into time. अगर स्पीड 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से चला और उसको 96 मिनट्स लग गया, तो 96 obviously is going to divide by 60. If you simplify this, what is the answer that you are getting? You are getting 80 kilometer. Aren't you getting the same answer? So how is that? I'm trying to say that if the speed decreases by 20%, the time is going to be increasing by 25%. Please go and watch that video. But अगर आपको ये नहीं भी समझ में आता, आप तो क्या कर सकते हो, आप प्रॉब्लम को इस वाले मेथड से तो लगा ही सकते हो. यही है ना जो मेथड हम यहाँ पे अभी इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करना चाहते हैं. एंड हमेशा प्रॉब्लम्स को ना 2-3 मेथड से लगा के देखने की कोशिश करो, क्योंकि आप ऐसे एप्टीट्यूड पेपर लिखोगे जहां पे कुछ कांस्टेंट तो है नहीं है, कुछ भी कभी भी किसी भी एंगल से पूछा जा सकता है. सो pause the video, try to solve this question on your own, people. It says that running at 40 kilometers per hour, a train reaches its destination 11 minutes late. While running at 50 kilometers per hour, it is late only by 5 minutes. Find the correct time for the train to complete the journey. Now, let the normal travel time be t minutes. So can we find out the value of distance? Distance is equal to speed into time, and problem tells you that if the speed is 40 kilometers per hour, the train is not going to take t minutes because t is the normal travel time, and the train is how many minutes late? 11 minutes late. So how many times the train will take to reach the destination when it is running by 40 kilometers per hour? It is going to take t plus 11 minutes. And this will have to be divided by 60. You understand why it has to be divided by 60? Because in minutes में है. You have to convert this into hours. Now, that's our equation number 1. 2 इक्वेशन तो हमारे को बनाने पड़ेंगे ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स को सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए. Now, what is another situation? When the speed is 50 kilometers per hour, problem says that now you have increased the speed, but still the train is not reaching from station A to station B on time. It says that now train is late by 5 minutes now. इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर वो 50 से चला तो उसको टाइम कितना लगेगा? t plus 5 minutes, and you need to divide it by 60 to convert this into r. This is your equation number 2, and this is nothing but the distance. And if you equate these two values, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए स्टेप नंबर 1 क्या है, स्टेप नंबर 2 क्या है, स्टेप नंबर 3 क्या है. आपको टाइम मिल जाएगा, टाइम मिलने के बाद आपको डिस्टेंस मिल जाएगा, जो भी प्रॉब्लम पूछेगा ये हो जाएगा. बट 2 इक्वेशन आपको बनाने की जरूरत तो पड़ेगी ही पड़ेगी. नाउ if you simplify this, so I would say that 40 t plus 11 by 60 is equal to 50 t plus 5 by 60. Now there are people who will say that आपने 60 लिखा ही क्यों जब आपको कैंसिल ही करना था. And I say that भाई आप करो, एग्जामिनेशन में बैठेंगे तो इतना तो लिखेंगे नहीं, बट स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझाते हुए तो लिखना पड़ेगा हमारे को. Now if it is gone, so 0 is 0 gone. What is the value that we are having from here? It is coming out as 4t plus 44 is equal to 5t plus 25. So the value of t comes out as 44 minus 25, which is 19. And what is 19? We already have taken this in minutes. So what is going to be the normal travel time? As per the problem, the normal travel time is 19 minutes. I hope you have understood this. From the percentage method, still you can find out the answer, but please do that on your own. Now, let us go ahead and try to simplify this problem. It says that a man covered a certain distance at some speed. Had he moved 3 kilometers per hour faster, he would have taken 40 minutes less. If he had moved 2 kilometers per hour slower, he would have taken 40 minutes more. What did I say? You have to form 2 equations. So I would say that normal speed ले लो आप x kilometers per hour, right? and you say that the normal travel time you say is y hours. So what is going to be the distance? Distance is going to be x into y. That's your equation number 1. ये तो वहां पे लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है एग्जामिनेशन में, बट हाँ हमारे को समझते हुए ये स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझना पड़ेगा. And problem tells you had he moved 3 kilometers faster. So in this situation, it would have been x plus 3. If the normal speed is x kilometers per hour, then 3 kilometers faster is going to be x plus 3. And problem tells you that he would have taken 40 minutes less. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? Y minus 40. But this 40 should be divided by 60 because y is in hours. So that's equation number 2. And understand this. This is also nothing but the distance. So can I say that this can also be x into y? Right? And problem also tells you that he would have taken 40 if he had moved 2 kilometer per hour slower, yani x minus 2. If this would have been the speed, then problem tells you that he would have taken 40 minutes more. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? उसको t hours तो लगता ही प्लस 40 मिनट्स ज्यादा लगता, तो 40 by 60 करोगे आप. This is also distance. So I would say that this is distance and this is your equation number 3. अब ये दो इक्वेशन मैंने लिखे क्यों? Understand this. ये दो इक्वेशन इसलिए लिखे because now you will have two equations in terms of x and t. You can find out the values of x and t. और अगर ऐसा हो गया तो फिर what is the problem? What is the distance? Distance is x into y. So once you have found out the value of x and y, इन दोनों को multiply करेंगे, हमारा आंसर आएगा. So let us simplify this. X into y comes out as this value. Now this is what? X, y, and this is 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3. So x, y minus 2 by 3x plus 3y minus 2. And you know what? X and y from both of the sides will get cancelled. If 2 goes on that side of equality, this becomes 2 is equal to 3y minus 2 by 3x. That is the equation number 3. That is the equation number 4, not 3. Now, what do we have to do? We have to simplify this one also. So distance is equal to x into y, that you know. And this is x, now t, not t. This is y, not t. So this is x into y plus 2 by 3x, because this is 2 and this is 3. So minus 2y minus 4 by 3. And xy and xy are gone. So what is the value that we are having? इतना पेशेंस रख के आपको सिंप्लीफाई तो करना ही पड़ेगा प्रॉब्लम. So out here, this becomes 4 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3x minus 2y. Now see this, you have got this equation out here. So can I say that this 4 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3x minus 2y. And अगर आपने इन दोनों को ऐड कर दिया तो you will have the value of y, because this and this will get cancelled. So 2 plus 4 by 3 is equal to 2 plus 3. So 5. No, this is not 5y. This is 3y minus 2y. Y. So this is where we have found out the value of y. So this is going to be what? 10 by 3 is equal to y. So now you have got the value of y. And what is the other value that you need to find out? The value of x. अगर x निकल गया तो आपका काम हो गया. कहीं पे भी प्लग इन कर दो. अगर आपने इस वाले इक्वेशन में इसको प्लग इन किया तो this is going to be what? 4 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3x minus 2y. So this is going to be what? 2y is 20 by 3. So the value of 2 by 3x is going to be 24 by 3. Please simplify this on your own. So the value of x comes out as, this is 4 into 3, 12. The value of x is 12. The value of y is 10 by 3. What is the value that we need to find out? We need to find out d is equal to x into y. Now, the value of x is this, y is this. What is this answer? What is the distance? 40 kilometers. अब आप बोलोगे टाइम लग रहा है इसको, 2-3 इक्वेशन बनाना पड़ रहा है, 2-3 इक्वेशन बना के इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ रहा है. तो मैं क्या कह रहा हूं, आपको इतनी तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए कि मेरे को 2-3 स्टेप्स लगेंगे इस प्रॉब्लम को सिंप्लीफाई करने में, थोड़ा सा बड़ा होगा. अगर मेरे को एग्जामिनेशन में लगाना हुआ तो मैं तो इस क्वेश्चन को नहीं लगाऊंगा इन द वेरी फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट, जहां पे मैं सिंपल प्रॉब्लम्स ढूंढ रहा हूं। अब ये वो प्रॉब्लम है जो सिंपल तो है बट इट इज गोइंग टू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम। सो हैविंग एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम इज ऑल्सो एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग। उस प्रॉब्लम को थोड़ा साइड में रखो एग्जामिनेशन में, बट प्रैक्टिस करते हो तो आप प्रैक्टिस करो, क्योंकि अगर आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो फिर आपको पता कैसे चलेगा। नाउ आंसर ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम इज 7/4। लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन दैट यू आर गेटिंग द आंसर एज 7/4। मैं आपके लिए क्वेश्चन यहां पे डिजाइन कर देता हूं। अ स्टूडेंट वॉक्स फ्रॉम हिज हाउस एट अ स्पीड ऑफ 5/2 किलोमीटर पर आवर, राइट, एंड रीचेज हिज स्कूल 6 मिनट्स लेट। तो वन वेरिएबल तो ऐसे ही कम हो गया, वहां पे ऑलरेडी उसने क्या कर दिया, उसने आपको स्पीड दे दिया हुआ है विच इज 5/2। सो डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू, मान लेते हैं स्पीड इंटू टाइम, ठीक है जी। एंड इन द वेरी फर्स्ट सिचुएशन if the speed is 5/2 kilometers per hour and reaches school 6 minutes late, आप ये मान के चलो कि जो आपको नॉर्मल ट्रैवल टाइम लगता है वो लगता है t मिनट्स, ठीक है जी। आपको नॉर्मल ट्रैवल टाइम लगता है t मिनट्स, तो ये हो जाएगा t + 6 डिवाइड बाई 60, isn't it? That's your equation number 1. And then it also tells you that if the next day he increases his speed by 1 किलोमीटर पर आवर, अगर स्पीड बढ़ाया तो 5/2 + 1 is going to be 7/2 स्पीड इंटू एंड रीचेस 6 मिनट्स बिफोर। सो अगर t मिनट्स में पहुंचना था तो ये t - 6 मिनट्स में पहुंच जाएगा, डिवाइड बाय 60 कर दो। दिस इज योर इक्वेशन नंबर 2। एंड प्रॉब्लम में अब क्या हो गया, बिकॉज बोथ ऑफ दीज टू आर डिस्टेंसेस एंड इफ यू इक्वेट देम, डोंट यू थिंक दैट यू विल हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ t। हाउ फार, सो हाउ फार का मतलब क्या हो गया, नाउ स्पीड तो ऑलरेडी आपको पता है, किसी एक इक्वेशन में t की वैल्यू प्लग इन कर दो, यू विल हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ डिस्टेंस। नाउ if I equate this 5/2 into t + 6/60 is equal to 7/2 t - 6/60, and if I simplify this, what is that I'm going to get? 60 is gone, 60 is gone, 2 is gone, 2 is gone from here. So this value is going to be 5t + 30, and this is 7t - 42. So 2t is going to be 42 + 30, and this is 272. The value of t comes out as 36 minutes, right? 36 minutes का मतलब कितना हो गया? If you have to convert this into hour, 36/60, it is 3/5 hours. And problem is asking you what is going to be the distance. आप इसी जगह पे इसको plug in कर दो. So distance is going to be 5/2 into the value of t comes out as t is going to be, why don't you convert, there is no need to convert this, 36 minutes. So 36 + 6, 36 + 6 is 42. 42 divided by 60. If you simplify this is going to be what, 7 into 6, 10 into 6, this is 1, this is 2, and the answer comes out as 7/4. It is not 7/3 rather it is 7/4. प्रॉब्लम तो सिंपल है। अब आपको देखो ना, प्रीवियस वाले प्रॉब्लम पे 2 वेरिएबल लेके वो चल रहा था। नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन स्पीड हैज ऑलरेडी बीन गिवन टू यू। इफ नाउ आई हैव एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग, भाई अगर एक ही वेरिएबल है देन प्रॉब्लम कैन बी सिंप्लीफाइड। अगर 2 वेरिएबल है तो थोड़ा सा लंबा जाएगा, तो हम अपने एनर्जी को वहां पे कंजर्व करेंगे। Let us try to simplify this problem. It says that a train covered a certain distance at uniform speed. If the train would have been 6 kilometers per hour faster, it would have taken 4 hours less than the scheduled time. And if train were slower by 6 kilometers per hour, it would have taken 6 hours more than the scheduled time. So let us assume that the scheduled time is t hours. What is the scheduled time? Let us assume that this is t hours, right? And I would say that distance is equal to speed into time, s being the normal speed. So that's equation number 1. And problem tells you that if the speed is 6 kilometers fast, if the speed is 6 kilometers faster, obviously this is going to be s plus 6, and the time would have been 4 hours less, so this would have been t - 4. क्या आपको ये इक्वेशन बनाना समझ में आया? And this is nothing but s into t. So this is equation number 1. इक्वेशन नंबर 2 मान लो इसको। यहां से आपको s एंड t के फॉर्म पे एक इक्वेशन मिलेगा। सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी व्हाट, एस टी नेगेटिव 4s प्लस 6t minus 24, and this is st. These two values are gone from here. So 24 is equal to 6t minus 4s, or 12 is equal to 3t minus 2s. So this is your equation number 2 as per the first condition. And as per the second condition, problem tells you that if the train were slower by 6 kilometers per hour, so अगर ट्रेन को slow होना है, then the time would have been 6 hours more. So in this situation, it is going to be st is going to be, स्पीड को कर दिया 6 घंटे कम, और अगर 6 घंटे कम कर दिया तो प्रॉब्लम बोलता है कि ये जो टाइम है वो 6 घंटे से बढ़ गया. सो कैन यू फाइंड आउट अनदर वन? सो st is going to be st plus 6x minus 60 minus 36. So these two values are gone. So the value of 36 is 6s minus 6t, or 6 is equal to s minus t. That's your equation number 3. Now you have equation number 2 and you have got equation number 3. Don't you think that you will be finding out the value of s and t? Very easy for you to find out. What is that we should be doing? You should multiply this with 2. So this becomes 12, and this is 2s minus 2t. So 12 is equal to 2s minus 2t. And if we add these 2s, they're gone. Now this is 24. 24 is going to be 3t minus 2t, which is the value of t. So you have found out the value of t. And once you found out the value of t, ये वाला निकालना बड़ा आसान है, because 6 over here, 6 is equal to s minus 24. So the value of s comes out as what? 6 plus 24. और अगर ऐसा हो गया तो value of s comes out as 30. And what is the problem? We need to find out the distance. Distance कितना बनेगा? 24 into 30. यही तो बनेगा ना? What is the value? What is the value of distance? The value of distance comes out as 24 into 30, and this answer is 720, option number C. आपको दो इक्वेशन बनाने की जरूरत है. एक तो आपको ये समझ में आना चाहिए, दो इक्वेशन आप सिंप्लीफाई करोगे तो एस एंड टी के फॉर्म पे आपको पास दो इक्वेशन आएगा, एंड वहां से जो भी प्रॉब्लम आपसे पूछना चाहता है वो आप लगाओ फिर. Now, please simplify this problem. This is a very similar problem. I would not be simplifying this because ये अगर आप देखें ना तो प्रॉब्लम बिल्कुल सिमिलर है. एक प्रॉब्लम अगर आपको समझ में आ गया तो आपको सारे के सारे प्रॉब्लम समझ में आ जाएंगे, isn't it? So let me know in the comment section what is the answer of this problem. Now, very important, next video, which is going to be video number 8 of this series, I'm going to be starting relative speed concept. Relative speed concept वो है ना, अगर आप ये समझ गए तो फिर आपसे ट्रेन प्रॉब्लम हो गया, आपसे एस्केलेटर प्रॉब्लम हो गया, आपसे बोट एंड स्ट्रीम प्रॉब्लम हो गया, कोई भी सर्कुलर मोशन प्रॉब्लम हो गया, ये सारे के सारे आप बड़ी आसानी से लगा लोगे, provided you understand what is relative speed and how to utilize this concept. So I'm going to start with the basics. I'm going to be having 2 videos on relative speed only for you because this one is really very important topic. So I'm going to see you there. Till then, bye bye and take care, and thank you very much for watching this one.